Hi, this is Sonia from Gardening Tips, and today our topic is crop rotation. And you might wonder why we're talking about this at the beginning of the gardening season. Well, it's a good idea to keep track of where you're at now so you know what to do next year. So why would we rotate our crops? And by that I mean not plant them in the same place in your garden every year. So a number of reasons. First of all, you'll have better soil structure because some plants are takers. They take minerals and nitrogen, example, from the soil. Others are feeder. They feed the soil with these. So you can take advantage of the feeders for the ones that take, so you can reestablish your soil. You have better soil structure and you have better soil nutrition. And also because of that, you would have less insects and pests and other types of soil diseases. So basically, you don't want to plant your same plants in the same place every year. You need to rotate them, crop rotation. So you can have a 3 or 4 year cycle, or even more than that if you want. If you have a large enough garden, you can do that. So to start with, what you want to do right now, since you've planted everything in your garden, you want to draw a map of where everything is in your garden right now, so you can plan where you're going to plant things next year. And once you've got that, then you need to figure out what families of plants are together. So for instance, nightshade vegetables include eggplants, peppers, potatoes, tomatoes. Onions include chives, garlic, leek, onion, and so on. So you can find this information online quite easily. You just have to look for families of plants. And then you can sort them into family groupings. So you would grow all your onion family together, and then you would, um, if you have, if you divide your garden into 4 sections, then each year you would rotate your plants into one different plot. So here's a chart what it could end up looking like. So in the first year, in plot 1 you would plant all your mustard family vegetables, and in plot 2 you would plant all your pea family vegetables, and in plot 3 all your carrot family vegetables, and in plot 4 all your nightshade vegetables. And in year 2, next year, you would rotate them one. And all you're doing is rotating them one plot. But if you keep track, then you will be able to make use of the fact that some plants are feeders, some are takers, but the feeders can really help out in maintaining your soil. So have fun with that, but the important thing right now is to make a map of what you ended up planting where in your garden, so that next year you don't plant a feeder where there's a taker, where there was a taker last year, kind of thing. All right, happy gardening, and next time we will be talking about fighting diseases and pests.